Good morning, Craig here, Diggs Rod Shop, and the day has come for the car show. Actually, the setup day. That's what that is. I'm here with Cassidy, I'm here with Alan, and we're going to set the trailer up. It's Thursday morning. Friday is the AD show, and Saturday's the open show. So we're going to give you guys an idea of what it takes to set this canopy up.
Yep.
We did that. Well, I've tried to do that before, but I've really never got it accomplished. So today's that day.
We've modified the awning since.
Yes, we have. We've made it better and faster. We've made it the $6 million awning. Some of you will get that. So, anyway,
Let's get to work.
all right, bye.
Yeah, absolutely. That's one of the best features of our suites is that you can sit inside or outside and watch the races. Also, you
I can take straight.
Hey, you guys got a shoehorn?
The midget cars are over here.
Can you stand on this?
Why don't you take the steering wheel?
What are you doing? There's a wing supposed to be on that.
Here.
well, that's why we take the wing off, so your average guy can get in there.
I'm
Yeah, but they don't
average.
get in and out of the racetrack like that.
This is a drag racer. You
Let's
gotta.
Yep, got your fuel switch up there. As soon as they push you off,
Don't start
you
it.
ready to go?
It's already on.
You can try. You can try.
What's this thing that my leg's caught in here? Is that a brake?
Yes.
That's what that is.
Brake forward, gas is down, up and down, throttle.
Right here,
Yep.
and this is either in or out.
Either in or out, yep. It's either in neutral or it's in gear. It's only got one gear. They put them in the back, but they got a quick change in the back. They switch it. Thing on the sides of the track.
Would you like to try?
What you had to do to get out of the car in a certain amount of time?
I did.
Jump out.
Yeah, but upside
He got
down.
out quicker than he got in. That's not what I do. It takes me forever to get out. This is a bigger tank, so probably 33 or so.
Ooh. Just one lap.
But
Dad
you don't
wouldn't
move
do it.
around much.
And,
They wouldn't
I need-
stop you after
no.
These would be way more
The only
fun
way
to
to
drive
stop
than
me
on
is
a
if I run out of gas. All right, I'll get out of the car.
They even got a knee pad over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bet you need it.
Oh.
And they can lean
You know, my claustrophobia went away when I sat in there. I didn't have a problem with that at all.
That was the racer coming back.
Yeah.
I think there's your fuel shut off. Look at this one. What's this lever over here for? Is this how they changed the?
That's the wing lever.
That's what I'm saying, how you change the wing?
It's hydraulic. You can move the wing forward and back. Like if the track's dry and you need more traction in the back, they'll move the wing back. If it's tackier and your front end's wheeling, they'll move that wing forward.
That's what I thought. This is your fuel shut off here, ain't it?
Yep, on and off. Yep, that's how you turn it on. Yep.
There ain't much.
I started one time in a driveway and thought I was going to die, so I can tell you.
What's that?
I started a car one time in the driveway and I thought I was going to die. And then it started shaking and everything else.
That's the fun part.
Yeah, well, they say when you get the gas, it's easier. I was like, okay.
They say the harder you are on the gas, the easier they are to.
Yep, yep, that's what they say.
Good morning, everybody. Craig here, Diggs Rod Shop, and I'm with Cassidy and with Alan, and I've got JJ here too. So it is Saturday morning, and it's July 25th. We've been talking about this show for like 6 months now, so we are here. So what's on the agenda for today? That's the big question. Al.
Registration at 11, registration at 8, closes at 11. So if you want your car in the show, get here before 11 o'clock this morning, get it registered. You'll grab a tech card, a giveaway item here, and then we also have the fuel altered.
We have a fuelish intention. It's Heidi Racing. This is a fuel car, nitro burner is what it is. And I just talked to Skeeter. He's going to fire that thing up at 11 o'clock. He's also going to fire it up at 2:30 this afternoon. So just before right after we finish all the awards. So and we've got awards, guys. I mean, if you got a car, you got wheels, we got a class for you. So make sure you get out to that too.
Oh, yeah. And if you want to do any drag racing, you got to be in tech between 8 and 11. We
8
put
and
a short little tech rules. They're pretty lax today, but you kind of need to follow some of them.
That's right, absolutely. Yeah. So, and that starts at about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Racing action. So if you want to race your car down the track against your buddy, grudge somebody, or just see how fast it'll go, that starts at 3 o'clock this afternoon. But you do have to be entered to the show in order to do that.
Yeah. And then one last thing we got.
The burnout contest?
Burnout contest.
Yep. I'm not sure when.
That's going to be right after the racing action. Racing closes at 5.
Right.
And then we're going to burn some tires right after that until they're all gone.
Right. We're going to do the burnout contest just a little bit different. I don't want anybody blowing tires out, causing a problem. So we're going to give you just a little bit of time to get that burnout done, and then we're going to judge you. That's what we're going to do. We'll put you in the winner's circle, and we'll just see who gets to stay in the winner's circle.
try that. It's not gonna do it.
Go ahead and put it over there because technically you're still the winner.
Right there, are you ready?
Yep.
Let her rip. Yep, I am ready. Okay.
I'll be on the other side.
Okay.
And that way, Corey can give me the heads up if he's still there, but just watch for me or let me know.
Where did they go?
Are you ready?
I think so.
Okay. Go!
Kyle. All right. Cowboy, did you like your burnout? That's pretty good. Okay, Major Hunter here. That's got enough. One more time. Hunter! Kyle! There's your winner right here. Kyle's your winner. Hey, where's my bag of tricks right there? We are a dealer for tires now, so come on, see us. I don't know what all's in there. If the shirt's don't fit, let me know. You know where we're at, okay? Thank you, Kyle. All right, Kyle Boyd is your burnout contest winner. Again, folks, thank you for coming out. It was an awesome day. We really appreciate it. We will do this next year. We'll see you next year. Just remember, the Eddyville Little Fuel Open is coming up here in August. Don't miss the show. It's going to be the biggest show here in the state of Iowa. Thank you so much for coming out. Drive home. Be safe.
Well, that does it for the Diggs first annual Diggs Rod Shop Cruising in the Corn car show.
And we had a blast.
We cannot thank you enough for showing up. We didn't know what to anticipate for cars, but you blew our anticipation out of the water when we thought we were going to show up. I think we're right around 150 for the day.
151, I think, was registered, and there was probably 170 cars here total. So.
Again, just blown away. Thank you so much for coming out. We had motorcycles here also today.
Yep. We had some wonderful food vendors. They're wrapping up, getting ready to leave. So,
yeah, so we had a
can't thank them enough either.
Yeah, barbecue and taco. We had drinks. We had coffee in the morning. I had a wonderful time. It was just great. The weather was good.
Yep.
Overcast for most of the day, but we weren't blazing in the sun.
Yep. The rain held off for the most part.
We're in the midst of tearing down, but we just wanted to give a huge shout out to everybody that showed up. Whether you're a spectator or entered your car or truck or motorcycle, thank you so much. We hope to see you next year. Look for our updates for next year's car show on our Facebook. It'll be posted here on YouTube. Updates as we start planning for the 2027 second annual car show.
Annual.
And
yeah,
I don't know if you videoed anything, Lucas, but that run against Cassidy and me, the Suburban, I did go red.
He got smoked. We run basically identical time slips, but he left 1.4 seconds too early.
Yeah, but your dad said if I wasn't cheating, I wouldn't beat you.
You wouldn't have, because I was catching you on the big end.
All right. So next year, I'm calling you out.
Yeah.
This is our saying thank you to everyone for showing
Thank
up.
you so much. I'm telling you what, it was a success because of you guys. That's right.
Yeah, we had a good time. I'm Al.
I'm Cassidy.
I'm Craig, Diggs Rod Shop.
Look for the updates for the next year's show.
Awesome.
Like and subscribe our channel for anything wild that we got going on in the shop. Thanks.
You guys have a great Sunday. Thank you very much.